cuvettes. Love them or hate them. But for UV-Vis, near-infrared spectrophotometry, these are pretty much the standard for introducing your sample into the spectrophotometer. But they require a lot of effort if your sample has any turbidity. You might need to use a very large face photomultiplier tube, where you're able to capture as much of the scatter as possible. You might use a dual wavelength spectrophotometer, where you are following the reaction not only with the wavelengths of interest for your spectra, but also a second wavelength where there's only scatter, no chemistry, and then you take their difference and you get the result. Another option that's out there is the integrating cavity. And this is a technology that's been around for about a decade. It has been used to tremendously positive effect, working with everything from purified protein to proteins in membranes to proteins in cells to reactions going on inside living tissue. Obviously, very little of that is possible with your useful but limited cuvette. So if you have samples which are more interesting, if you will, more complex, likely to return answers that will really open doors, cuvettes are limiting you, and integrating cavities found on clarity spectrophotometers will open doors for you. So if you'd like to discuss this in some detail, please be in touch.